Hey guys, it's Shauna the Tax Goddess. Now, we are going to talk about how to legally write off your Rolex. And this is probably one of the most common questions that comes up over and over and over again. It doesn't have to be the Rolex. It could be the boat. It could be your race car. It could be whatever other very common personal item that business owners try to write off. Now, I'm going to talk to you about this case. Okay, this happened back in February of 2023. An attorney had conducted a racing car activity, which promoted his litigation business. Okay. And of course, he took the entire racing activity as a deduction on his legal business, right? This is advertising. Yeah, he lost that case. Okay. The IRS really didn't like that. He could not substantiate that the racing related costs were ordinary and necessary and reasonable to his business. Okay. And you're going to hear these three things over and over and over again, right? Ordinary, necessary, and reasonable. And so this is really important. These are the three key factors for the IRS to allow your deduction on almost anything. Now, how could he have written off his race car activity? He could have created a separate business, number one, separate business that handled his race car activity. Okay, so he could have set up a racing team, bought a car, had all of his expenses. Hopefully he won a couple of races, won some money. He could have had an actual racing car business. His legal business could have paid for advertising space on the car, okay? But he cannot write off the entire racing business. That would be a separate business, completely separate. It's not ordinary, necessary, reasonable for his business. Now, I promised you I was going to teach you how to write off the Rolex, okay? One of the best ways that I've ever seen this done, which is 100% legal and 100% above board, is to set up a Rolex resale business, okay? Now, again, everything has to have a business purpose, but if you are buying a Rolex and you're wearing it on your watch, right, or on your wrist, okay, and you are buying and selling Rolexes, okay, this means you get to walk around with the Rolex on, okay, and your clients, you're buying Rolexes, which makes an inventory potentially, or maybe even a write-off in the year of purchase. When you sell the Rolex, you report that income. So you have a business with the business intent of earning money on buying and selling Rolexes. Now, for a lot of people, if you know anything about Rolexes in this particular case over the past couple of years, with COVID, the prices went skyrocketing. So we actually had quite a few clients who bought a Rolex for $20,000, wore the Rolex, right, for months and months and months and months, found a buyer, sold the Rolex for more than they bought it for, sold it for $30,000, made a profit, and got to wear the watch the entire time, okay? So if you are looking for a legal way to write off your Rolexes, your boats, your cars, whatever it is, one of the best ways to do it is to create a business. Now, of course, if you don't know how to do that, that's the kind of stuff we do. So if you are looking for a tax strategist, a team that is very well recognized, okay, and we know what we're doing, reach out to us. TaxGoddess.com. We are super easy to find, and we are here to help you get your dreams in life. So reach out to us, and we'll legally help you write off that Rolex. Have a great day, y'all. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.